Yes, I do. Okay, so I'm going to go over a floor plan, all right? So take a look-see, please. All right. So let's pretend this is my floor right now, guys. Okay, so this is me in Blender. Okay, I'm just adding pieces as you guys request how to create things. So basically, this is like an L room, but I'm going to look at it from above. Okay, so look at what I've got, guys. People who are watching, Mayor, are you with me on this one? Yeah, well, you're seeing it there. Okay, so look, I have a fireplace and something else going on here. So in this one, so if I was to draw this right now, I would basically draw a square box, okay? And then I would draw a couple squares here and say that's a fireplace, okay? In the meantime, while Gr.10 comes up, take a look at this one here, okay? So here it is. Basically, when you double up your lines here, looks like a wall in the world of architecture, okay? So in the world of architecture, if you do just single lines, it means nothing. It's a schematic. It could be a site plan, or it could be like a breakdown of your website. Nobody knows what it is. The minute you have an opening, it's either a door or a window. That's what openings and walls are. And there goes my mouse, right? Okay, cool. So look at this carefully. I have a table. I wrote table, right? What's this? A bookshelf. Because at the end of the day, guys, you're drawing rectangles, squares, and sometimes circles, okay, to represent something. If you look at a potion bottle from above, the big shape is, it's a circle. That's all it is, okay? But when you name it. Okay, so does this one start? Yeah, here we go. New file. Okay, so if you're drawing on paper or Photoshop, all you have to do is hold shift. In this app, I'm gonna have to use the line tool, right? For example, I don't want to use the line tool. I'm just gonna sketch, okay? So the one that you guys saw me earlier with just the fireplace is this. Look, this is how you would draw it. You double up here, you double up there, for example. And feel free to make your walls thicker, okay? This is not like a house in the city that we live in, okay? So back then, these walls were much thicker, right? So example like that, okay? So right here, I'm really simple. I'm just drawing. I'm having fun. I can't stand white background. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to pause for the cause here. Let's change it up, shall we? Where's my paint bucket? Where'd it go? I'm blind. Somebody show me the paint bucket. Where'd it go? Oh, my God. Have I gone blind? Seriously. Oh, here it is. Oh, God help me. I need to know the hotkey for this. This is like wasting a lot of time. Okay, so there's my my background for my floor, okay? Here we go. Something like that. Okay, so I'm going to lock this up. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. So we come back here. So if you have a fireplace, here's how you do it. Look, you just... Am I not on brush? B for brush. Yep. And the color is somewhere here. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Something like this. Okay, so if you come in here and do this right now, just draw another rectangle. Remember what I said. But if you do this, or this style here, okay, and really your fireplace goes into the wall and goes up, whatever, I don't know, into the chimney, okay? So you just darken this up if you want. And then on the side, you'd say fireplace, okay? All right, so let's say I had a dining chair, table here, okay? So I'm just gonna come over here and I'm just gonna draw this, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay, let's say this is my philosopher's chair, okay? And then maybe I have a couple stools here for my students, okay? So you write stools, chair. What are we gonna say? I have another word for this chair. Can't think of it right now. Okay, so there's that. So I got my table, nice, okay? And then over here, maybe I have, behind me, I have a bookshelf, for example, right? Let's say 3 section of bookshelf. So then I just come in here. Again, all I'm doing is drawing rectangles, guys, okay? And I can say bookshelves. Okay, bingo, finito, times 3, okay? There's 3 bookshelves, okay? So, okay, so if I had my treasure chest over here, I'll say my chest is here. And maybe I had a sink over here. Okay, it's really a bowl, okay? Bowl of water. There it is. Okay, so I've got my chest here. I'll type in chest. Let's say I have a carpet underneath, or I have some kind of a piece, and then this is all, watch this. All of this now is hardwood, right? I just come in here and just do this. You don't have to draw the whole place. You just give me a little example of saying, you know what, Mr. Ballion, this is hardwood floor. Hardwood. Hardwood. wood. So you're looking from above, and then you just dash in here, okay? And then you color this in. Let's say you had a door over here, right? Or something, right? Maybe somebody had a door, so you just put a line into it and put an arrow that tells me it's the main door. So this is my door. Okay, it's that simple, guys. How is this looking? Is this okay? Right? So let's say I have my manuscript here, right? I have candles. Look, see? Just come in here. Normally, what I do, if this was a professional, if I was doing this professionally, I would put a number next to it, right? So I would say this is 1, and what's 1? I would say candles. Okay, we're just keeping loose. This is grade 10. This would be number 2. It would be treasure chest, for example, right? This is my chest of clothing. Chest of clothing. Okay, done. Okay, right. And then this would be my number 3. I would say this is my manuscript. See, this is doable too. You decide which one you want to do. Manuscript. Look at that. How is that? See how easy that is? Okay, so number 1 is candles. Okay. You could do it this way. It gets messy. See how messy it's getting with me making all these arrows all over the place, right? So you can just put a number next to it, you know, and so on and so on. So that's one example. If you go to my my website, I believe. Let's go. Do I have it open here? See, I did the same thing, right? Chest, hardwood floor, carpet, throne chair. That's the word I wanted. A bed. So it's basically that. It's that simple. Okay, and then if you are working digitally like I am, what you do is you make a layer underneath, right? You make a layer underneath and watch the brush I'm going to use. This is so sweet in this app. I just love it, and you're going to laugh at me because I'm going to use a roller brush. Okay, so watch now. I'm going to take a roller brush, reduce my opacity, and I'm just going to come in here and just touch it up a bit. Look, like that, okay? Like that. Woohoo! There it is. This is my hardwood floor, Mr. Ballion. Thank you very much. Done. Okay, so your table, let's go with a different color. Let's go with a little bit of orange, or orange, I said. Something like that. So come in here underneath, just like that. There you go. You did that. Is that hard? How long is it taking me to do this? Really loose. Doesn't have to be looking professional, okay? So my candles are a bit yellowish. Yellowish. Let's go somewhere over here. Make my brush a little smaller, just for fun. 1, 2, 3. Okay, my manuscript is going red. Importante. Okay, so we go boom like that. So just have fun with it. You don't have to make it look perfect. And if you want something for your walls, you just come in here like this. Okay, so just go 1. See, like that? That's kind of cool. Okay, so here all of this can be colored. And of course, a faster way to do this is using your marquee tool. But for now, let's just go like this. Okay, so little strokes, you're good to go. Any questions on this? Is this okay? Everybody's like sleeping on me, eh? Okay, okay. So here's my bowl. See, underneath like that. Are we good? Nod, yes. Yes, we're good. Any more? Would you like me to add anything else? Guys at home, do you want me to add anything else over here? Talk to me. This is my chest, so I'm going to have to give it a little bit of decorative work here. Decorative, I say. Let's go in here. I'm just having fun. Well, somebody read out if there's anybody saying anything, please. So look, I can come in here and do some highlights. I can play with red underneath. No questions? You guys are good? Is this okay for the floor plan? Can I shut it down? Okay. No one's asking me anything. I like this. Okay, we're good. So here's your fireplace. This is the hearth that comes out like that. We're done here. Okay, something like that. Thank you. Hope this helps. 9 minutes of fun. Bye-bye.